The other driver clearly caused the crash, your car is wrecked, and then you remember you dropped collision coverage to save money. Are you stuck? Partly, and it's frustrating because it's true. Your own no-fault covers your medical bills, but no Michigan coverage fully repairs your car unless you bought collision. There's a claim against the at-fault driver called the Mini-tort, but it tops out at $3,000, and the rest of the repair usually lands on you. Let's separate the two halves. Your injuries are covered. PP pays your medical bills regardless of fault. Your car is the problem. Michigan's no-fault system, oddly, doesn't repair your own vehicle. That's what collision coverage is for. And if you don't have it, there's no state coverage that quietly fills the gap. So, a not-at-fault driver without collision can be made whole on their body but not on their car. Your main tool for the car is the Mini-tort. It's a claim against the at-fault driver, not their insurer directly, since Michigan generally isn't a direct action state, though you can present it to their insurance first and many will pay. The catch is the ceiling, $3,000 max. On a lightly damaged car, that might cover a lot. On a totaled one, it's a fraction. It helps, but it rarely makes you whole on its own. And even that small recovery isn't guaranteed in full. The Mini-tort uses comparative fault. If you're 20% to blame, you recover 80% of the damages, up to the cap. And if you're found more than half at fault, you get nothing from it at all. So, the at-fault carrier has an incentive to argue you share the blame, reading the police report as murky or claiming you could have braked sooner. That's why what you say matters. So, handle it carefully. Don't give the other driver's insurer a recorded statement without advice. Provide written documentation instead. If they won't pay on a clear fault claim, small claims court is fast and cheap, and judges know the Mini-tort and its $3,000 ceiling well, so it rarely drags out. It won't rebuild a totaled car, but on a clear case, it's money you're entitled to, and worth the short effort to claim. So, not at fault without collision means your injuries are covered, but your car mostly isn't. The Mini-tort recovers up to $3,000 from the at-fault driver. Your own fault percentage can shrink or erase even that. And small claims court is the practical way to collect on a clear case. Everything I mentioned is linked below, including the full written guide with sources. This is new lore for Fieger Law.